Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. Probably a knife that was sent to me in response to my recent community post about knives that I am looking for review. If you're watching this video at the time of the, well, at you know, if you're watching it currently and not a year in the future, then you can go to my community tab on my channel and you can check out the list of things that I'm looking for, or you can get my information on the community tab and suggest something to me. That's perfectly fine. Thank you so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. If you'd like to get your hands on some cool stickers and some other benefits, there's of course a link down in the description. You're supporting me in the world to me, and please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Let's go ahead and carve our way into this box. I'm sure there's a note inside explaining who sent it, so I will give you guys that information as soon as I can. There we go. Nice, good scalpel. Okay, we have another little, oh, here's the note. Okay, hang on one second, I'm gonna leave this little box right here. Metal Complex, as always, keep up the great content. Hopefully, by the time this sees the internet, I'll have a few videos uploaded on my channel I decided to create. Hey, that's, oh, here, yeah, that's right. Knife Sergeant. Let me get you his information without showing you his email address. Excuse me, just doing some tactical folding here right now. If you didn't know, I majored in tactical folding in college. Okay. YouTube, Knife Sergeant. Check him out. Absolutely. It doesn't take much to just jump over to his channel real quick. So yeah, check him out. And then his Instagram, at Knife_Sergeant. So, or Serge. So, I'm sure it's spelled correctly. I don't know. But anyways, thank you so much for sending this. Let's take a look. What sort of wizardry? Okay, yeah. Oh, yay, I'm so excited. I've never handled a Hoback. Never. This is my first time. Oh my gosh, the box. This is cool. Oh man, okay, so this is the Sumo. And also, whoops, I'm gonna have to move that out of the way. Is this an auto, how does this work? Wow. Oh, wait. Oh, it's a button lock. Oh, yes. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, man. Okay, so am I touching something? Look, okay, here we go. So this little nub back here is the flipper tab. The detent is so perfect. You just barely push it. Actually, you got to kind of come right here, just down a little bit. Yes. Very interesting. You can almost push button it, which is amazing considering how low profile it is. From here though, yeah, definitely. And you don't have to use the flipper tab. You can obviously use that little notch right there. Wow. Very, very interesting. What is this? PS23? I'm gonna guess that's the steel. Look at the stops. Are they also thumb studs? Oh, that's so cool. That is so cool. There's like multiple means of deployment on this knife, but they managed to keep it, or Jake Hoback managed to keep it incredibly low profile. Look at that. So we have the flipper tab, right? And then you have the notch so you can reverse flick it. And then you have this, which is perfectly positioned to access with your thumb and uses the flip. Man, that is really cool. And unbelievably smooth, by the way. Yeah, I mean, super, super smooth. Man, that is cool. Okay, so this is not an aesthetic that I normally go for, but it's one of those where now that I'm handling it, and this happens all the time, it's why I tell people, you know, don't wave something off if it's not your cup of tea aesthetically, because sometimes you handle it and you experience it, and all of a sudden, all those little value systems, right, that you have, I mean, all you can do looking at a knife is go, here are the materials, do I like how it looks or not, right? But then you handle it, and that kind of goes out the window. This is an expensive knife. I think I have links for these. I think they're on DLT Trading right now. I will link this if I can. Man, ergonomically, this is nice. Very cool. First impressions for my first time handling a Hoback knife. Man, I'm really excited about this. This is neat. I love how, I mean, all of these little things fit together, and like, look at this area back here that's just carved perfectly to make this. This is so pleasing aesthetically. Very, very cool. Look at the pivot. Obviously a captive pivot. Man, it follows all the lines and everything. Look at that. Oh man, this is really, really cool. I like this a lot. I do not know what PS23 is. Like PlayStation 23. No, I mean, obviously that's the steel. I'll have to look that up. But here we go. Wait, no, that's not right. That's incorrect because it says the blade steel CPM 20 CV. What does PS23 mean? Maybe that's the number. Maybe they're numbered. I'm probably stupid. That's probably I'm sorry about that. Oh no, it's Psalm 23. That's what it is. Okay, so more information on that. Just read the card, Metal Complex. Just read. Do like the minimum when it comes to, you know, investigating information on the knife. There's a card right in there that says, here's what it is. And I'm like speculating like an idiot. All right, there you go. Overall length, 7.325 inches, closed 4 inches, blades 3 1/4, 20 CV, 156 thousandths on the spine, stonewashed, handles titanium, bead blast with anno accents, weight is 4.6 ounces. Very cool. Check out Hoback knives. I will link Hoback knives in general down in the description. A lot of you guys know the MK Ultra and the Quayback. I think those are two of the knives that, you know, really made Jake Hoback famous. Maybe I just don't know what I'm talking about. But anyways, I will link his knives in general, all the stuff you can find through Jake Hoback down in the description through my links, and then this guy as well. Thank you so much, NAF Sergeants. Check out his YouTube channel. Very cool. So glad that I got to experience this. Review is coming, but that's going to be pretty much it for today. So please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.